If u is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3xy, then find the value of del 2u del x del y, means partial derivative of u, second order partial derivative of u with respect to x and y. We have given that u is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3xy. Let us give it equation number 1. Then we have to find the value of del 2u del x del y. Now, since here u is function of two independent variable x and y, so here it is not possible to find out the total derivative. So we will try to find out the partial derivative. So now just look here, we have to first differentiate u with respect to y and then we differentiate with respect to x. So let us try to find out the partial derivative of 1 with respect to y first. Then we have del u del y. So partial derivative of x cube plus y cube minus 3xy with respect to y. Let us separate the different terms. Partial derivative of x cube with respect to y, partial derivative of y cube with respect to y, and partial derivative of 3xy with respect to y. Now, since this x cube is constant with respect to y, so we can take outside. So 1 is remaining. Partial derivative of y cube is nothing but 3y square minus, we can take 3x outside, partial derivative of, this is not x, this is y, of y with respect to y. And if we find out what is the partial derivative of 1 with respect to y is 0, this is 3y square, and partial derivative of y with respect to y is 1. So we have partial derivative of u with respect to x is equal to 3y square plus 3x. Now this is the first order partial derivative of u with respect to x. Now if you want to find out this with respect to, no, this is not x, it is y, it is y. Now we have to find out the this derivative. So we again find out the partial derivative of this with respect to x. So differentiating this two partially with respect to x, we have del x of del u del y, which is given by del 2u del x del y, or del x of 3y square plus 3x, because del u del y is 3y square plus 3x. Let us again separate the terms. Partial derivative of 3y square with respect to x, partial derivative of 3x with respect to x. 3y square can be taken outside because this is constant with respect to x, and 1 is remaining over here. And if we take 3 outside from here, the x is remaining. If you want to find out the partial derivative of 1 with respect to x, it is nothing but 0, and the partial derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. So the answer is 3. Hence, del 2u del x del y, which is equal to 3. This is the desired answer of the given question. Thank you.